In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your pages with dividers in Figma. Figma is a powerful and versatile collaborative interface design tool that many designers and teams use worldwide. So if you're looking to tidy up your design files, let's get started on how you can introduce dividers to make everything much more manageable. First things first, let's make our way to the Figma website. If you haven't already, open up your preferred web browser and type in figma.com in the address bar and hit enter. Once you're on the site, you'll see an option to log in if you're an existing user. Go ahead and click on Login to access your account. Ensure you enter your credentials accurately to avoid any hiccups. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at the Figma homepage, which is like the central hub of your design projects. Now that you're in the home view, the next step is to head over to the design section. This area is where all the magic happens, where you have access to your projects and the tools you need to create, edit and organize your designs. With the design interface open, direct your attention to the sidebar on the left. You'll see an option labeled Pages. Click on it to move forward. At this point, you have all your existing pages at your fingertips. To declutter and organize them efficiently, we can use dividers. So let's add a new page by looking for the Add New Page button in the same left sidebar and giving that a click. This generates a new blank page for you to work with. Lastly, for the magic touch to create our divider, navigate to where you can type the name of this new page. With your cursor in place, simply type 3 dashes like this, then hit enter. Voila! You now have a clean and simple divider that visually separates different sections of your pages in an organized manner. Dividers serve as a quick visual cue, helping you categorize your work efficiently and making it easier to navigate through numerous pages. They don't just declutter your workspace, but also allow you to maintain focus on what matters most, your creative process. As you create more complex projects, these dividers will prove invaluable in keeping your files neat and structured. That's it, just a few easy steps, and you've made navigating your design projects in Figma far more intuitive and user-friendly. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Remember to like and subscribe for more practical tips on optimizing your design workflow. See you in the next video.